Hi there, my name is Jessie Wokoye and I'm a junior in mechanical engineering. I went to Valencia, Spain for a week in May. Spanish is not my native language, but I had to learn how to adapt and say different phrases and different words so that I can communicate with those around me. Whenever we went to restaurants or different, cities, we got to speak in Spanish, which I personally really enjoyed. It definitely was challenging and it was a lot of fun as well to be able to do that. I believe this experience will improve my future career because the whole point of this trip to Valencia was learning about sustainable practices, and all throughout the city we saw how Valencia incorporates different levels of recycling. They had trash cans for glass, for paper, for just waste itself, and seeing that really inspired me and made me think, okay, like here in America, how can we be more sustainable? How can we be less wasteful? I can talk about how to be more sustainable in these different career sectors as well. I think that, this global experience definitely enhanced my resume because now it's something that I can talk to recruiters about and talk about how I was able to learn how in different countries, how they do manufacturing processes, how they do engineering, and how I can bring that to the table when I go to these different, workforces and environments. Yeah, I definitely would recommend studying abroad to anybody, even if it was just for a week or a month or a semester. There's so much to learn. There's so much out there in the world to explore, and I would definitely give it a chance.
My name is Mila Snyder and I'm an environmental engineering major. I feel like this experience did prepare me for the workforce because as an environmental engineering major, it was really interesting to see the sustainable engineering practices that they were taking in Valencia because they were the green capital in 2024. And also I was meeting so many new people in such a short amount of time, and I feel like that's something you do encounter in the workforce every day, which I really liked.
Hi, my name is Joshua Paul, and I'm studying mechanical engineering at the University of South Florida. It was my first time traveling without my family. It was a worthwhile experience, especially traveling to a new country I've never been to, and especially experiencing a new culture. Global experience did help me enhance my resume with new skills, and the fact that I had to consider how other people from other cultures see a problem differently as opposed to because in engineering, when it comes to solving an issue, you have to consider many different viewpoints and possible solutions that could work.